The roof repair on the Noel Memorial Library is critically important because we have leaks that are going into both the LSU Shreveport archives and also into the Noel collection, which is adjacent up on the 3rd floor.
We've had this condition ever since the library opened in 1994.
This is a
This has been
20-year-old problem?
Yes, it's a 20-year-old, more than 20-year problem. And we've tried to fix it. We're under state contract. That doesn't always mean that the work will be done in a timely fashion.
Well, optimistic. We did have repairs done to the roof. It's leaking a little bit since then, but we're hoping that the repairs are going to hold through the winter. I think anytime you see a problem and there's nothing you can really do about it, it's stressful.
That building right there, the Noel Library, is 1993. All right? It needs a brand new roof.
Well, we're very happy that the work is going as expeditiously as it has, and we expect within a month that the whole project will be finished.
How long you guys gonna be working? When will you finish?
I think like 2 or 3 more weeks, probably.
2 or 3 more weeks before so all the work is going okay?
Yep. Well,
Okay. What's the name of your company?
roofing solution.
Roofing Solutions from Shreveport?
No, I think they're from New Orleans.
New Orleans, okay. Are you guys local workers or are you from out of town?
I'm from Texas.
Texas, okay.
Some people think that roofing is roofing. No, it is not necessarily roofing is roofing. It can be a better, best, and excellent.
This rain that we had this week, we didn't leak. So I think we're past that.